Today we are going to discuss about the topic of volume of cuboid and cube. Volume means, what is the meaning of volume? Capacity. Capacity of cuboid and capacity of cube. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Volume of cube is side the cube. Is it clear? First sum, exercise 13.5. First sum, length of matchbox is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5, height is 1.5. Is it clear? Volume of box is one box. Volume of one box is L into B into H. 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. 4 into 2.5 is 10. 1.5 is 15 upon 10. 10 and 10 are cancelled. Your answer is 15 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one box. Clear? Now we have to find volume of 12 boxes. Volume of 12 boxes is 12 into 15. Answer is 180 centimeter cube. Length of tank in sum number 2 is 6 meter. Breadth is 5 meter and height of water tank is 4.5 meter. We have to find the volume of water in the tank, means L into B into H. L is 6, B is 5 and H is 4.5. 6 5 is 30. 4.5 is 45 upon 10. 0 and 0 are cancelled. 45 into 3 is 135 meter cube is the volume of water in the tank. Is it clear? Now we will find capacity. Capacity means changing of meter cube into liters. We will multiply the answer with 1000. 135 into 1000. Answer is 135,000 liters. Third sum. Volume of cuboid is 380 meters cube. Length of cuboid is 10 meter and breadth of cuboid is 8 meter. We need to find height of cuboid, which will be equal to volume upon length into breadth. Volume is 380, length is 10 and breadth is 8. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Your answer is 19 by 4 meter. 4 4s are 16. When 19 is divided by 4, see, 19 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16, 3 decimal 0, 30, 4 7s are 28, this is 2, 0, 4 5s are 20. So your answer is 4.75 meter. This is height. Is it okay? Is it clear to all? So it is 8 meter. Breadth of cuboid is 6 meter. Height of cuboid is 3 meter. We need to find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. This is 8 into 6 into 3. It will be 8 into 18. This is 144 meter cube. This is volume of cuboid. Is it clear? Now the cost of digging is 30 rupees per meter cube. Total cost is volume multiplied by 30. Here this is 144 into 30. Your answer is 4320 rupees. Answer is 4320 rupees. Find the volume L into B into H. Then cost of digging is 30 rupees. If you multiply volume with 30 rupees, your answer will be total cost of digging 4320 rupees. Is it clear to all? Capacity of tank is 50,000 liters. When you divide 50,000 with 1000, zeros will be cut down and you will get 50 meters cube is the volume of tank. Length of tank is 2.5 meter. Height of tank is 10 meter. You need to find the breadth of tank, volume upon length into height. Volume is 50. Length is 2.5, height is 10. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 5 upon 2.5. 2.5 decimal हटा दो, ऊपर आ जाएगा 10. Do the cutting on the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Your breadth of tank is 2 meters. Is it clear? Breadth of tank, volume upon length into height. After cutting, you will get 2 meters. Now start with sum number 6. Water required for the village. There are 4,000 people in the village and water requirement is 150 liters. When you multiply 4,000 with 150, you will get 6 5 zeros again. 6 के नाल लगे 5 zeros. क्या आ गया? 6 lakh liters. Clear? Divide this with 1000. 3 zeros will be cut down. It will be 600 meter cube. Clear? Now volume of the water tank which is supplying water in the village is length into breadth into height. Length is 20, breadth is 15, height is 6. When you multiply these three numbers, you will get 1800 meter cube. Now 9th standard, water tank is larger as compared to water required. Clear? So what you will do, if you want to find the number of days water will last in the village, what you will do, you will divide volume of tank with the water requirement. Means 1800 divided by 600. Do the cutting, you will get 3 days. Clear? 1800 divided by 600. Do the cutting, you will get 3 days. Number 7. We will first find volume of go down. L into B into H means 40 into 25 into 15. No need to multiply this. ठीक है? As it is चलेगा. Then volume of freight L into B into H 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. If we want to find the number of freights, what we will do? We will divide the volume of go down with volume of crate. Why? Because the crates are to be put inside the go down. So go down is bigger than crate. Clear? We will divide volume of go down with volume of crate. Volume of go down is 40 into 25 into 15. Volume of each crate is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. ठीक है? Then do the cutting. This is 40, 25, 15 as it is. This 10 is for 1.5. This 100 is for 1.25 and this 10 is for 0.5. Then do the cutting on the table of 5. Clear? 15 and 15 are cancelled. 5 5 is 25. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 25 is 125. Then 25 and 100. On the table of 25, 100 is at 4. Clear? When you multiply this 40 with 10 and 40, you will get 16,000 crates. This is the answer. Number of crates put in the go down are 16,000. Clear? Now let us start with next sum. Next sum is, statement is a big cube of size 12 meter is cut into 8 small cubes of size x meter. We need to find the side of smaller cube. Clear? What you will do? Side of big cube is 12 meter. Side of small cube is x meter. I have supposed this as x. Now according to statement, volume of big cube is equal to volume of 8 small cubes. Big cube is side the cube and 8 small cube is 8 into side the cube. Side of big cube is 12. 12 into 12 into 12. This 8 will come in the over. Do the cutting on the table of 2. Clear? You will get side cube is equal to 6 cube. So cube and cube are cancelled. Means side of the smaller cube is 6 meters. Is it clear? Side of smaller cube is 6 meters. Clear to all? Width of water in the river is 3 meters. Width of river is 40 meters. Rate of flow of water is 2 km per hour. You will change this kilometer into meters by multiplying this with 1000 and hour will be converted into minutes by dividing it with 60. Then do the cutting. 0 and 0 is cancelled. Cutting on the table of 2, you will get 100 upon 3 meter